So I'm driving along here thinking about different insurance products that I help folks with, and I got to thinking about term insurance and its pros and its cons. So let's go over a little bit of what term insurance is, what it does, why it's great, and why it's horrible. So term insurance is meant to be used as a temporary protection for things like income, mortgages, large debts that are temporary, not permanent. If you're going to get term insurance, get the cheapest you can, because 98% of it doesn't ever pay out. However, should you pass away without term insurance and your family is heavily dependent upon your income to keep a roof over their head, food on the table, accustomed to a standard of living, that term insurance will allow them to do that. Things to look for in a term plan. You want to look for a plan that's got living benefits. Those are included in some. You want to look at a plan that might have return of premium. Return of premium means that, you know, at the end of the level period, gosh, you get your money back. So you've saved your money basically while you had protection for your family. So that's a good thing. And it helps you save for retirement. Another thing to be very cognizant about and look for in term insurance is whether it's convertible. Convertible meaning, can you turn it from term to permanent? Whole life insurance. Um, and going one step further, does it have guaranteed insurability options? Meaning, if your health deteriorates and you become sick and ill, you won't medically qualify for a new life insurance policy. But if you have guaranteed insurability riders and convertibility riders, you can convert that to permanent insurance in portions at specific times in the policy and be able to continue it on regardless of how bad poorly your health has become. I'm having to utilize that myself with my own health that has deteriorated over the years. Getting a permanent life insurance policy for me is extremely difficult now. And if I wanted to go buy a term plan, I could not. Quite certain that I wouldn't qualify. Even though I work with a lot of carriers to find the best options for my clients. Um, thank God I have a term policy with convertibility that I'll be utilizing here at the next opportunity in about 2 years. Term insurance is not for a permanent solution. It is not intended to last until you're age 100. Chances are you won't be able to afford it. At the end of the term period, it's going to go up in premium. It's going to start going up and continue going up every year unless you redo it and have that opportunity to renew it and lock it in at your new age for another level period of time. So those are some things to think about when you are out looking for term insurance and ways to protect your family.